Yo guys, welcome back to a brand new video, Robot Game here. And in today's video, I'm gonna be opening Carnival Eggs, which is the new eggs in Cloud Garden. Anyways guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on notifications for brand new videos from Robot Gaming. Sorry if I haven't posted in a while. Anyways, let's get right into this. Oh my goodness guys, I'll be back like we are big. Hopefully our issues is sorted. Now we got these eggs. If guys not prepared so far, we got another slot and another thing. Okay guys, this has been opening Carnival Eggs with Robo Gamer. Thank you for watching this video. Just want to say one thing. Enjoy the rest of your day. Love you guys. See you in the next one. Peace.